Okay. Work.
You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Work. Hey you guys, it's your girl Ling and I'm back with more videos which I'm so excited to share with you guys. Don't mind the bed, it's not made. If you guys have any goals or any things that inspire you and motivate you, please list them down below. I would love to read them and share them. Just likewise, I'm going to share a few of my goals that I have for 2020. 2019 has been a really rough year for me, whether that's gain, losses, or just growth for me. I went through a lot mentally, physically, and emotionally. Hopefully I take my own advice as I'm telling you guys. Hopefully. Okay, so just to name a few of my goals. Let's see. To save money, to lose weight, to eat better. I mean, what is not there that everybody doesn't want to already? Okay, so something different. Bro, we're saving money for the wedding. Yeah. I want to be a better person. Yeah. I don't know. Jeez. Yeah, my life is pretty boring. These goals are just what I have been having for the past few years. So it's nothing new. It's nothing that I think I should be excited for. It's just... I honestly can't wait to share you guys some of my new videos and just some of the new random videos that I will be doing. Not to mention, once 2020 hits, I think I'm going to officially close my boutique just because I have other priorities to focus on, and as this year ends, it's coming quite quickly. So what I'm really doing right now is just really trying to get rid of inventories. Please go check out the website. Almost everything is just wholesale price. So right now you can get them as much as I get them from a wholesale firm, a wholesale website. Right now almost everything is more than 50% off. There's an automatic 15% off that you guys get when you guys check out as well. So just keep that in mind. I do have fall stuff, summer stuff, some summer stuff, some winter clothes as well. And I'm really just trying to get rid of them, so please help spread the word. Just go to shop.stellaming.com. Like I said, there's an automatic 15% off when you guys check it out. You guys don't have to press in the code, it's already on there for you guys. I have beanies, I have dresses, teddy pullovers, crop tops, I have sets, I have skirts. Just look on there, and like I said, most of them are going to be prices that I get at a wholesale firm, so just keep that in mind. The second thing that I do, guys, want to tell you guys is that next month I will not be a traveling lash artist anymore, so I will be at a new location, and I'm hopefully that this location is really going to guarantee my spot. And I really hope I'm not losing some of my clientele, because you guys all know, the ones that have been with me from day one, I love you guys. Because you guys have been there from day one, I'm going to keep the same prices. And I am still going to keep coming to you. That way you guys can kind of get like a discount price. Yep, the number 3 that I do want to tell you guys is I'm also quitting my recent job, so I will not be working at Ulta anymore. Thankfully. I don't know. Once you work at a job and you're just so comfortable that you don't want to quit, and plus with all the benefits that it does too, whether or not you get paid good, yeah, it's that kind of job. I love the people there, some of them. Maybe not, maybe just a few. I would love to stay there because of the discount, but like I said, I gotta do me. Ling gotta do herself. The 4th thing that I'm gonna tell you guys is, I don't know. Hold up. I gotta look for it. There is no 4th thing. I guess the last thing that I do want to mention is just that, you guys, Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the year as it ends. And as 2020 approaches, just don't forget to list down your goals and what motivates you and what inspires you down below, because I will love to hear them, because I need to be inspired too. So just look out for new videos that I have coming up. I will be posting, well, I will try to post all these random videos almost each week. But in the meantime, thank you for watching. Just like, subscribe, and don't forget to push that bell notification. Is this thing on? Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Ling. Ling. I really need a stand. I really like this. I mean, yeah. Y'all want to know what foundation I use? Anastasia. This is a really nice foundation. Ooh.